EVS engines are about to become a thing of the past thanks to Toyota's new engine type, completely unheard of. This new engine, which Toyota is working on, is said to be the most eco-friendly engine in existence. Get ready for a complete turnaround in the world of cars as we explore Toyota's new engine that could revolutionize the entire EV industry. The engine Toyota is working on is unbelievably powered by water, similar to their FCEVs like the Toyota Mirai, and hydrogen-powered internal combustion engines like the recently developed 1.6 hydrogen 3-cylinder. Historically, water engines have been one of the greatest aspirations of the entire car industry, promising huge benefits over regular engines and EVs, though countless attempts at making water-powered engines viable and reliable for daily usage have been unsuccessful. But that's exactly where Toyota is poised to step in, with proper funding to test the engine in all possible conditions. How does the water engine actually function? It's essentially similar to an HEV generator with a few differences that make it better suited for daily usage in vehicles. Instead of using pre-processed hydrogen, the engine itself processes and separates hydrogen from oxygen through a chemical reaction of electrolysis. The electrodes in the water tank emit high voltages to separate the H2O molecules. Since the hydrogen is contained within the water when stored in the tank, there's no need for heavily armored tanks as with FCEVs and hydrogen combustion engines. Once separated from oxygen, the hydrogen is sent to the engine where it combusts, similar to compressed natural gas. Fuel injectors are adapted for compressed gas, and cylinder heads, pistons, and valves are reinforced to handle its highly combustible nature. The long-term environmental benefits are substantial. The water engine emits almost zero emissions compared to regular internal combustion engines, similar to EVs, while being more convenient to refuel. As long as diluted water is available, refueling costs next to nothing, reducing the need for oil extraction and mining of rare metals like cobalt and lithium, notorious pollutants. Unlike separate hydrogen engines and FCEVs, which require rigorous and expensive storage conditions, water can be bought at any well-stocked supermarket or produced at home with basic chemistry knowledge. Water engines could also be more powerful than traditional internal combustion engines, generating up to 3 times more energy, making them ideal for developing countries with limited access to oil. However, despite their potential benefits, there are significant challenges. Water engine technologies remain experimental with limited functional prototypes and questionable daily reliability. Storage safety of hydrogen remains a concern, with potential leakage risks and associated hazards. There's also the risk of political and economic obstacles from established industries like oil companies and battery manufacturers, who may feel threatened by the popularity of water engines. Controversial historical figures like Stanley Meyer, who claimed to have developed a working water-powered car, illustrate the pressures and threats that can arise from disruptive innovations in the automotive sector. So, while water engines offer significant potential, their future remains uncertain, with many unanswered questions and hurdles to overcome before potential widespread adoption.